We've had a very sunny spring, and exposure to UV from the sun is one of the primary causes of skin cancer. In 2019, skin cancers accounted for almost half of all cancers in Wales, and of course these are entirely preventable. In a debate I brought to the Senedd last year, I asked the Welsh Government to have a better focus on skin cancer prevention and consider, for example, funding free sunscreen for schools, creating good habits among young children, many of whose families, of course, may find it difficult to afford sunscreen. The government has invested, for instance, in improving access to menstrual products in school, so I'd like to know whether the government has considered providing sunscreen in the same way. May is Skin Cancer Awareness Month. Skin cancer is by far the most common cancer affecting Welsh people, and out of the 4 UK nations, Wales has the highest rates of skin cancer. Many experts believe more could be done to help people reduce their risk. Diolch.